Welcome everyone. We will start MS Excel by clicking on the start button, then all programs. We have to click on Microsoft Office. As I told you, Microsoft Office is a package. In Microsoft Office there are the different software. One of them is MS Excel. We will click on MS Excel and MS Excel will open. This is the first sheet of MS Excel. This is the first sheet of MS Excel. Now the intersection of the rows and column, that is the cell, is the cell of A and 1. The cell whose border is dark is called active cell. Like suppose I click on G1, so then G1 is the active cell right now. There are the three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 by default, and we can increase as many of the sheet by our choice by clicking here. You can see that sheet 4, then we can click again sheet 5, sheet 6. It is totally up to the user to increase or decrease the number of sheet. User can also delete or rename the sheet by just do the right click, and we have the option here, delete. Just clicking on that, we see that the sheet is deleted. Now we are going to delete the sheet number 5. What we have to do is to do the right click and click on the delete option. The sheet will be deleted. In same way, we can do the right click and rename our sheet. Here is written is the option of rename. It is written rename. We can click on it and we can rename our sheet. See, I have renamed the sheet. So this is how we can rename the sheet. And the sheet upon which we are working, like suppose I have opened a sheet, this one, and now I am opening sheet number 3, this sheet. Now I am opening sheet 2, now I am opening sheet 1. So the sheet which we are going to open, we are working, that is called an active sheet. We have one option of autofill. How the autofill work? Let's see. Suppose I am writing 1 and 2. Now what we have to do, we have to select them. As I have selected, you can see at the bottom there will be a plus sign like this. When there will be a sign like this, we can drag it. I am dragging it to 10. The numbers are filled automatically by itself. I will again show you. Here we have to select both the numbers, and what we have to do, when this plus will come at the bottom of the right hand side, what we have to do, we have to drag it. And the numbers are automatically filled. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and it is totally up to the user. It's not necessary. You can autofill the number as much as you can. Now we will move forward to simple formula. For entering the simple formula, what we have to do, we have to enter some data here. Suppose I am entering 40, 50, 10. Now to enter a simple formula, as I told you, and first we have to write is equals to and you can see the things in formula bar. Whatever I will write in Excel sheet, an active sheet, you can check that in formula bar. In active cell, in a cell, it will give you the value, but whatever we are writing in formula bar gives you the actual formula. Here you can see, like it is G1 plus, that is G2 plus G3. See, here in G4 we are getting the total of 100, and but in formula bar you can see that whatever we have written a formula G1 plus G2 plus G3. What we have to write to do is, first we have to give the equals to, we have to write equals to, then we have given the cell name G1, G2 and G3, and automatically we get the total of 100. This is how the simple formula works. First we have to write equals to, then we have to enter the formula. We can see the formula in formula bar, and the value we can see in active cell. Now the another function is Autosum. Suppose you will write, okay, first we will remove this data so that it will be easily, you can easily check that. We are writing 50, and here also we are writing 50. Now we have to select the next row, and in the next row what we have to do, in a ribbon you can see an Autosum at the top right hand side. You see the cursor just above the cell num n, field n, at the top this sign, this is the autofill feature. When you click on it, it will give you the Autosum. Enter. See, 50 50 100, and the formula which is given is there, you can see in formula bar. This is how we get the Autosum feature. What you have to do, you have to just enter the values, and then you have to select the Autosum, and like this it will give you the Autosum of the total. Okay, whatever you will write, that you will see in formula bar. Whatever the total will be there, you can see in formula bar. Similarly, you have the different auto features, like average. You can click on average and it will give you the average. See, 50 50 average is 50. You can see there it is written 50. In same way, you can have the count number. See, there are the three rows, 1 2 3, so it is the count is 3. And you have maximum. Clicking on maximum, you will get 50, as the highest value is 50, and minimum value is also 3. Here you can see the minimum value is 3, so it is 3. And these are the auto functions which are predefined in Excel. Functions are predefined formulas. Whatever it is written, they are the formulas. By clicking on it, you can see the formula in formula bar. You can see here the average formula is there. We have clicked on the average function, so they have, you can check that function from the formula bar. Thank you, class.